How to know who did not accept my friend request on Snapchat. So the first step is by opening your Snapchat app and then by going to your profile right here and scroll down and look for your friends. So click on My Friends right here and this page will show you all of the friends that you have. So that means you both follow each other or added each other. For example, you have added someone and then they added you back, then they will appear right here. For example, you did not find someone you follow or added on this list. So whenever you type in their name, it will appear that means that you only added them and they didn't followed you back or added you back. So you may also see this photo like this one. I'll search it first. You may also see a blue check mark with a sent or check mark right here. That means that you have sent a friend request, however, they didn't added you back. So you may see that on their profile. So that's it. That's how you can know who did not accept your friend request on Snapchat.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.